Sapta. Jump through with left folded. Right to Ardha Padma. Bind from behind. Left under the right knee. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, Nava. Untwist. Hands on the floor. Dasha lift up. Ekadasha Chaduranga. Dvadasha Urdhvamukha. Trayodasha exhale Adhomukha. Left side. Chaturdasha. Jump through. Prepare. Panchadasha. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shodasha. Exhale and twist. Saptadasha lift up. Astadasha exhale Chaduranga. Ekonavimshati inhale Urdhvamukha. Vimshatihi exhale Adhomukha.